हे तिरछी सूंड वाले, हे बड़े शरीर वाले, हे करोड़ों सूर्यों की शक्ति वाले श्री गणेश, हमें आशीर्वाद दो कि हमारे सारे काम बिना किसी समस्या के पार हो जाए और सभी शुभ कार्यों में आपका साथ हमें मिल जाए।
Godmother was so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the bird that sings. Thank you, God, for the everything. Thank you.
Loving students and their loving parents. The pessimist sees difficulty in every opportunity. The optimist sees opportunity in every difficulty. Wishing all the students and parents a very cheerful and blissful morning today. We all are here to showcase the talent of my loving students in the program of Razzmatazz. As you know, a school is performing one or the other activities to motivate the students to become creative and grow their personality. Also, I believe that good grooming is integral and impeccable style is a must if we don't look the part. No one will want to give us their time or their money. That's why the personality grooming and enhancement have always been my priority. I am sure the guardians of my children will today cherish this moment of Razzmatazz with all of us by giving their precious time and with their presence. They will make this Razzmatazz a live movement. Yes, students, there are 100 reasons to do something and another 100 reasons to not to do it. The choices are yours. You make design your life. Yes, dear students, I know it's very difficult to sit at one place and bound yourself. But we all are helpless during this difficult time. That's why I regularly emphasize in addressing in my speeches during assembly and suggesting you for prayer, God prayer. Yes, remembering to God is only solution. Only He is with us to listen and to solve our problems. Therefore, feel this miracle of this God-made universe. Second thing, your half-yearly course and exams are over and proceedings for finals. So, your PA2 exams is nearby and then your finals will be there. I know you done well and doing your best. With this hope that God will fulfill our wishes and we will meet and celebrate all
My name is Adisha Singh. Introduction of Arunachal Pradesh. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Official language is Hindi and English. Dances form of Chalo, Peacock, etc. Hello everyone, my name is Saiza Vashik. This is Meghalaya Handicraft. Thank you.
Boisakini pidan lecan Pepawani sumnisu Boisakini pidan lecan Pepawani sumnisu Sonani chayo Parane hirhirani bhave Oh ayala mijuni bosani chayo Mijuni bosani chayo Boisakini pidan lecan Pepawani sumnisu Sonani chayo Parane hirhirani bhave Oh ayala mijuni bosani chayo Mijuni bosani chayo
Winter are coming, so let's wear woolen clothes. Jacket. Cap. Gloves. Socks. Shoes. And good morning, ma'am. To keep our body warm in winter, we should drink hot soup. Thank you, ma'am. Hi, everyone. My name is Kavya Sharma. It's very cold. Let's have some tea. Good morning, everyone. I can drink coffee also. We use blanket in winter. Thank you. नमस्ते, आज हम आपको मात्राओं के बारे में बताएंगे।
बड़े आ की मात्रा, छोटी की मात्रा, बड़ी की मात्रा, छोटा ऊ की मात्रा, बड़े ऊ की मात्रा, वी की मात्रा, ए की मात्रा, ऐ की मात्रा, औ की मात्रा, अंग से अंग की मात्रा, आहा की मात्रा।
धन्यवाद। My name is Bhavya Tiwari from class KG. I am doing maths activity. This is 8 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a 10 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 15 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 10, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15. This is 20 number. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. Thank you. My name is Anand Swagya. We study in class KG. When someone helps us, we thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Aradhya from class KG. My activity is let's go. Let's go.
Thank you. My name is Anjaswal. I am close the door. Bye, ma'am.
ठीक।
What all hand? Viraj, don't test switch. My name is Alia. Don't test switch. President.
Teacher, रोशनी नहीं आ रही।
मतलब कि ये बात झूठ नहीं, मेरा होगा Mr. Bus রাখিবেন और सबसे आपने हमें इसलिए यहाँ पर
Hello friends, my name is Rose Pratap Singh. I study in class 8. Today I will do water third activity. So let's start. For this, we have to take 2 glass and a third glass. The four water is filling the glass. Now this glass is empty. This was my activity. Thank you. Hi everyone. My name is Punansi. I study in class 8. We made bubbles. We need water and some powder. We made slime bubbles.
A very good morning, my loving children and my dear parents. We heartily welcome you all once again on the second session of Razzmatazz. Conduction of Razzmatazz will surely turn out to be boon for the children, as it does not only provide them an opportunity to express their views in various activities, but also reduce the pressure of academic work. It's a harbinger of a student's development. It also helps them to realize their potential, their strength, and their shortcomings, on which we have to work together as a teamwork to bring out their best. Someone has rightly said that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. It's well known that if we involve a student in some activity, he will not only enjoy but also remember it throughout his life. So nothing can be better idea to get the active participation of students. Dear parents, with God's grace, second term teaching and learning is on progress. So it's my humble request, kindly get register your ward if he or she is left because of any reason in this pandemic time. Please motivate your ward to be in school uniform while attending online classes. Please make a point to keep regular an eye on the studies of your ward. Please motivate your ward for spoken English. All these activities will hone their skills. So let's join our hands together and strive for better tomorrow. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Santa. Merry Christmas. I am coming on 31st December. Have Merry Christmas. Thank you.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नाम